Okay, this morning I'm going to do a video about draining the gasoline from my Champion generator. There's the official way to do it and the way I'm going to be doing it. The official way to do it is to open up, remove a bolt from the carburetor and drain it through the bowl. I did that the last time I drained it, and it took forever. It didn't work really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to drain it straight from the valve on the bottom, and I'm going to use a length of this clear hose and drain it into a safety can. Well, that hose isn't flexible enough, so we'll use the other one. That's better. So I'm just going to put that in like that. And turn it on. And let's see if it's draining. Alright. I'm going to let that run, and we'll see how much gas we have in here. I had filled it up just before a big storm we had a month or so ago, and the power went out, and I ran it for about 3.5 hours to run an air conditioning unit, a small portable air conditioning unit, so I could keep cool, since it was rapidly getting up to 85 degrees in the house. And since then we didn't have any major power outages required using it. So come back in a little bit. Okay, well, that went a lot easier than I think it did the last time. Mostly the reason it was easier is I didn't try to drain it through the float bowl. This drained pretty quickly, and because I have this thing attached to my lift, I was able to pick it up and move it around and jiggle it to get the last little bit of gas out of it. So what I will end up doing is when I put it, before I put it away, I will I'm going to run it to get any last little bit of gasoline that's in the carb, and then I will leave the gas cap off to allow any gasoline inside to evaporate. Of course, you know, you're not supposed to do that if you live in California, but I don't live in California, and even if I did, I would still do it. So let's get this thing off these sawhorses, and we'll try and start it up and run off the last little bit of gas. Alright, let's see if there's anything in here for this to start. Okay, so that's it. Most of the gas is out. There seems to be a little bit of gas that just cannot be drained out and doesn't seem to go out through the carburetor. Not sure how much. Could be as much as a quarter of a cup. So that's why I always leave it open to evaporate. And while I'm at it, I'm going to take this apart and find out. It looks like the battery died after only a year, and we'll find out if it saves the data. So later.